I don't know how to program a single code. The only thing that I know is how to write hello world. That's it. But thanks to this no-code tool that I'm going to present to you in this video, I was able to build a full trading journal in which you can add the trades here, have rules that updates every single day if you follow them, and you're going to have like compliance, and also same with analytics. And not only that, I was able to build personalized invoicing software without programming. Marcus here. In this video, I decided to share with you my perspective on Base44, what this tool is actually about, the important things that you need to know, then what kind of project did I build with Base44, and also if it's actually worth using. So Base44 is a tool that is going to allow you to, based on your script, like create full working, let's say app, let's say CRM, let's say if you want to do some kind of like project. It can help you build it with database, with everything. Now, for me, I absolutely love it because for kind of like the simple problems, it can provide amazing solution. And I'm going to share with you the examples. So here you're gonna write that I want you to build me kind of educational quiz generator, right? And you're gonna write it and it's going to start to create your app. What I recommend to do is that I recommend to not only just like use it in this kind of like short, but use ChatGPT, right? That I want to build this, give me it more fully what I can have there, so it can like expand the whole structure for you, and then you want to provide it to Base44. Now that's like the important thing. Now I want to show you what I built with it. For example, the first thing is that I built fully working trading journal for traders in crypto, and as you can see, it looks very good. So what I did right here, I will show you, is that in dashboard you can start a session where you can have like questions before you're going to start trading and analyzing the markets, and when you're going to finish it, then you need to like end it too. You can have also the session history here, so when you're going to finish the kind of session, you have to answer the questions. You have like session history. Then I built here the full journaling where you're going to add a trade and you have like multiple questions here. This is something that I built by myself. Like it would cost me thousands of dollars to pay someone to do it for me. And this tool made me this whole thing in like matter of 40 minutes. And I can even write here like total invest, let's say 500, profit was like 2000. And look at that, it even changed to green. And you can save the trade, or I can like open the trades from the past. I got the rules here. This is something I added. So I buy only when I understand the narrative, when I'm like heavy certain it's going to go up, and I can add a trading rule. Now what I did here is that every single day it refresh. So in the moment when I finish every day the trading session, I can check the rule like, okay, did I follow it? If I didn't, I'm going to press X and I'm going to write why I didn't follow it. Then I got also the analytics here for the trades. And then I got the AI coach. So as you can see, like it looks good. I mean, I can't deny it, because this thing that I want someone to build for me for primarily the meme space, the crypto space, it would cost me thousands of dollars to just build this. Now, it's very important to say that again, this is like for example, the simple solution. Now, let's say that I want to have even more, like it would get integrated with Binance, with Coinbase, and like more deeper stuff, then I don't think this is going to work out. Maybe it does, but I'm not a programmer. I don't know how to program. I know how to structure things. So, for example, this was one idea that I had that I built successfully. Now, then what you can do, you can have like the domain by the Base44, or you can publish it by yourself. It's important to say that in a workspace, you can have visibility that I'm going to zoom it for you a little bit. So you can have private that you need to have only by login, public login required, and no login at all. You can have like users here, like who are kind of like in the who got like created accounts. Then you can have like training sessions that you can have. This is just the data that you would have. And then you can have things like analytics here. And what you can do is that I think from the builder plan and up, you can export the project to GitHub. So you can like fully export it. Or what you can do, even you can export the project as a zip, the one zip code. Right? So you can like take it and use it elsewhere if you want to. So that's really good. Now, this is something that you can do, or what you can do, you can even share the access to the app. So these are like the important thing. Now, the another very important thing that you need to know regards the base 44 is that if you're gonna have the docs and support here, you are going to find the very important thing regards the integrations. So let me just show you right here. With the integrations, and then we're gonna go for the next project. With the integration, you see right here, integration credits are used when your app access base 44 integration. Any action that goes beyond simple layout changes or UI edits. So that means even like calling LLM on your application, uploading files, image understanding or generation, sending emails or SMS, querying a database. So this is something that you have to be very aware of. Primarily, I was interested in this words like querying a database. That means is that, let's say if you're going to have CRM system and you want to do something with the database, you are going to use the units. And this is something that you just need to know. And for the pricing, let's go here for the billing. You see right here, I got integration credits 20,000. Now, it really depends how often, like let's say you would have for example, AI chatbot, right? I think it's going to use, I don't know, the usage for the integration. And this is something that you have to be aware of, but I would like to have more information actually, like if I'm going to have CRM system and if I'm going to, or let's say the trading system, a trading journal where I'm going to write, is it going to, when I'm going to write a trade, is it going to automatically use the integration credit? So this is what I'm like curious about, right? So something to be aware of. Then it's like much better to just like export the whole tool and like put it elsewhere. I don't know how, I'm not a programmer, but I'm thinking about it than just like putting it somewhere else where it can be done. Now, and like support it for cheaper price, the full integration there. Now, when we're gonna go further, I want to show you another thing that I've built, invoice generator. So my friend wanted to have an invoicing system. She doesn't got a lot of invoices in a month, but she got kindergarten and she needs to create invoices, and she's not technical at all, like not technical at all. And she told me she just want to have like press a button, it's going to generate an invoice. Now this is like perfect problem for the no-code tool, because this is not like you need to have like a lot of deep stuff. It's simple. So look what I did. I told it in a matter of few prompts that, okay, I want to have the clients there, where I can add a name, address, town, email, number, okay? Then I want to always have invoice in Slovak language, and I want to have there the data of the company, and then just change the names. And I want to choose the names, so I can always choose the name here. I can choose like how many hours, the hourly rate, and when you're gonna like create it, and when they have to like pay it, until what day, and also for what you are invoicing. And then when you're gonna have it, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna just download the PDF. That's it. And tell me right now, this took me, I'm not kidding, 15 minutes to make. How much it would cost me to pay someone to do it for me, like real programmer? It's a simple thing. Now with the no code, but I wouldn't know how to do it. I got no idea how to program anything, and I've built something that when I showed it to her, she had tears in her eyes. And again, it took me 15 minutes to make. Right? And she can like easily generate invoices now. And she always just going to choose a client. It's going to be just for her. She's going to do like 30 generations a month. And you got it. Super simple. And again, if I want, then I can like take this, I can export the project as a zip, and then I can like upload it elsewhere and use it and start selling it if I want to. And now what they even did here, I want to show you, is that let's say that you want to change a color of something. You are going to have here like a visual edit. Look at that. So you can have visual edit that you're going to have like this here, and you can change the colors, right? You can change the spacing. See? And you can play around with it, or even like you see right here, or like the numbers, the background color. See? And you can really play around with it. And I won't discard the changes, but you can have visual editor too there. So you can also integrate right now Stripe. I don't have experience with it. You can connect it with domain. I just bought the complete new domain through the Base44, but this is something I absolutely love to do. Now, then I did another project, and I want to show you. It's called LinkedIn, but it's called LinkedIn for the crypto community. It's just a fun project. But look how amazing it is, right? I want to show you. It's going to blow your mind. Now, this would completely eat my credits. I just like, I know it. I want to show you how it works. So how it works is that you can just like completely change the profile picture. You can change the kind of like the name. You can change everything on it. You're going to have the about section, the experience here, the education that you can add. You can change everything. Right? On the home, you are going to find here the posts of other people that you can like. Automatically, they are going to get notification. You can have your network here, which you can have like add, and I can click and connect. Automatically, I'm going to have them in like my friend list. Then you can have also the jobs here that you can like apply now, or I can like post a job. Again, I edit the whole with the AI messaging, and where you're going to message with others completely live and companies. So this is something that you can also do. Now, as you can see, this is like pretty good, right? That you can also like add a company, and I can even visit. I just want to show you the real kind of projects that if you have some kind of problem in that you're looking for the solution, you can use Base44 for that, and you can try, or you can even ask ChatGPT if it can help you with managing something, and maybe it can. So exactly like, and this is where I find AI very good, is that I don't really like the AI slop content and what they are generating with the videos and images. I don't like that. But I like using AI for the kind of like the problems that we have in our own life to make it more easier and to manage things. Right? For example, with the invoicing setting, I didn't know for like many altcoins and journaling like this. I didn't know it, but right now I can share it with someone like for myself about trading, and I can use it for my own trades. And this is very good. So that's my perspective on Base44. For simple problems, it provides simple solutions, even for little bit medium problems. But I wouldn't really expect that you can like build some heavy, intense app that you can build it for like Google Play and also for the iPhone. I'm not really believing in that, but it can help a lot. Like let's look for what it built here. Look, like create a quiz. See? And again, look, it looks beautiful. Many times it provides very similar, this is what I'm seeing, many similar layout. So you can like change that, but it looks good. It doesn't look bad. Like, I don't know how to program a single, maybe hello world. That's it. That's over. That's and I don't know anything else. But this is what I can do. The very important thing I want to share with you is that sometimes you can get into the loop of problems with Base44. That means is that if you're going to build something more deeper, and let's say you want to have like interact the accounts with each other, like let's say with the social media side, sometimes can happen is that you're going to be in circles with the AI. That the AI can even like solve the problem because it got multiple issues and it can figure it out if you're not going to like link it to it. So I'll show you the example. Maybe I see it right here. So my problem here was that the Google username was the username that was linked to the account. So I had to create a display name, and I had to generate display name and display username that were actually on a site that kind of like went because you can change the username because of the restrictions of Base44. Therefore, on a post, they were showing the username and the name of Google, like let's say Gmail, whatever, but it didn't show the display name, display username. So first, in the moment when it like showed the display name and username here, it didn't link to the account because that account was linked to Gmail. Therefore, I had to like create every separate new URL for the specific display name and username that linked to the Google. And do you see? And it took me like 2 hours to figure it out. I'm not a programmer. Like you show me code, I'm like, what is that? But I know how to do this stuff. So that has been my own experience. This is something that you have to be careful about, that is like not, it can do a lot, but it can't do everything. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.